all of you is I was very introvert, shy, underconfident. Today, whatever I am, I owe it to Vishal because he was my guru. I was also a mentee like you guys, and I was just refreshing my sessions while Vishal was, teaching all of you about, politics and other things and all. I was just refreshing it, and I was actually feeling that I missed so many things, and it was actually, I was unwinding it. When I joined CGM, things started changing in me because I surrendered myself to the system here, and I followed everything what Vishal and the team told us to do.
Yeah.
That is where I have reached here with an international job opportunity. Assume or think that you would get a call from an international HR about the company and they want me to appoint as their HR. Be it a part time, but somewhere you got that, networking, you got that visibility. All this happened because of this forum. I would like to thanks a lot, Vishal. Whatever I am today, it is because of you and your team. Absolutely, HR plays a vital role here, Vishal, because we have to make sure that all our employees are aligned with the culture, and that's where it plays an important role. And we also have to play an important role. But what happens here is when you say office politics, there'll be two different types of politics, which I feel, and healthy and unhealthy. So you should know your work is important. Equally, your relationships are also equally important, right? So you should know how to manage it. Office politics, you cannot escape from that, but you should know how to manage it.
Yeah. So you can't kill office politics, but you can manage office politics. And who
Exactly.
are the people who are able to manage office politics, Kavita, by the way? What qualities do you see in them?
You should have a nature of collaboration, working with a team. All those things plays a major role, I feel, Vishal.
Yeah. And Kavita, have you ever yourself faced office politics?
Yes, I did. But again, I owe that to you because you and your team helped us to showcase that how do we handle that office politics and overcome that, how we beautifully take it, not in a negative way, take it in a positive way, and show your work, show your visibility in the company so that office politics stays behind you.
How important are soft skills and leadership skills when it comes to managing office politics?
Soft skills are very, very important because that shows how matured you are in the organization, how you carry or how you contribute, or if a task is given to you, how beautifully you carry that. All this covers your soft skills. And when you say leadership is something which should come within, right? So people here are, most of them are introvert, shy. That doesn't stop you from being a leader. You can help your colleagues or you can help your teammates or showcase that you're kind of a leader. That really helps in your organization, I feel, Vishal.